Hello and welcome to another DIY. I'm Sandrine. Hi. So in today's video, we are gonna be making some crystal choker. I got these from Amazon a long time ago. I actually used them to make a cute little sweater dress. So I have the dress hanging around and I wasn't really wearing it, so I decided to do something with it. So that's why I'm making some cute little choker. I think it's called crystal mesh. No, not mesh. Crystal applicates. Yeah. And that's all you need. And those little things that you have to clip on just to make any necklace. I don't know what it's called. But just look. I probably leave everything that I use down in the description box below. But right now I have a brain freeze. I can't really come up with the name of it. But this was super easy. All I did was just poke two little holes where I can connect it, and boom. Just like that, I'm finished. And that's it. I actually made two of them. One of them, this one I'm making right now, is the rose colored, and the other one is just gonna be the silver one. It actually turned out pretty good. I was worried because that little white mesh area was peeling off because I actually glue it onto the dress. So when I took it off and then tried to make the choker, it was falling off. But I glued it up again and it actually stayed on. But then when I tried to poke some holes at the end of it, it was giving me a little bit of a problem. But I got it to work, and that's all I did. Just like that. So I hope you guys enjoy this little video of mine, and I'll see you in my next DIY. Bye. Look at how cute that is. Oh, by the way, I almost forgot to say, the reason why this video is so dark is because my ring light broke. I don't know what happened to it. So I didn't have any lights. I had my little light in my room on, but it wasn't bright enough, so I was kind of using my flashlight, but it still wasn't picking up. But at the end of the video, you can see how the choker look. It looks way better when I actually get some good light. So this is the second choker. This is the silver one. I'm doing the exact same thing. I'm matching it up with my neck to see how it's gonna fit me, how much space I need to make sure it's not rubbing up against my skin, because that will irritate my skin. So I'm just making sure that everything fits perfectly. I'm really not doing anything different. I'm kind of struggling, but it turned out good.